Welcome back, everybody. We are going to go ahead and go through the answers for the kinetic and potential energy card sort that you currently have or can see up on the computer screen right now. So I'm going to go one by one. You'll see my cursor go back and forth, and then we'll kind of explain which each one would be. So a parked car, because it is not moving, a parked car would be considered potential energy. A stretched rubber band, once again, is not moving, so this is potential energy. Now, when you move on to somebody who is pushing a cart, now that cart is moving, and therefore that would be considered kinetic. A runner in starting blocks, that means they're not running yet. They're waiting for the race to start. That's going to be an example of potential. A wrecking ball that's actually hitting the wall. Now, once again, if it's moving, it's considered kinetic, so this would be a kinetic energy example. Kicking a soccer ball, like you have already kind of probably figured out, is moving, so therefore that is kinetic. Now let's scroll down here. If you are hitting a volleyball, you are also moving, so that would be considered kinetic. Holding a soccer ball in place is considered potential. Riding a skateboard, so you're moving again. So riding would be considered kinetic. Dominoes that are moving because they're falling is going to be kinetic. Bowling pins that are standing in one spot, that's an example of potential. Now sitting at the top of a slide. This kiddo is not moving down the slide, he's just sitting up there, so then that would be potential energy. And if we scroll down a little bit more, now a roller coaster going down the tracks, that means it's moving, therefore it's kinetic. Slinky moving down the stairs, kinetic. Actually swinging a baseball bat is once again kinetic. An apple hanging from the tree, it's not moving, it's just hanging there, therefore it is potential. Gasoline is also considered potential. It's stored up energy. If you were to burn it, then it would release it into kinetic energy. But right now it's still stored up in the gasoline, not moving. So therefore it's potential. A stretched bow and arrow. This is before the gentleman or lady or whoever it is releases the bow and arrow. So it's sitting still. So this is considered potential. Let's scroll down a little bit farther. A rock at the edge of a cliff, once again, not moving. This is considered potential. Domino standing, waiting to fall over. That is potential. This person here who's holding the baseball bat, getting ready to swing, that is going to be potential. Someone driving down the street in a school bus. Now that is moving, so we have kinetic. Going down the slide this time is kinetic. And then a train moving down the tracks, moving again, that is also kinetic. Okay, and there's just 4 more down here at the bottom. A golf ball that's sitting on the tee, this is potential, it's not moving. Roller skating down the sidewalk, you're moving, so that would be kinetic. And then getting on the school bus, you are moving, so therefore it's kinetic. And then holding a football, not throwing it, just holding it, that is going to be potential. All right, so how many did you get correct? Are you able to do this again without any help? Do you think you can understand that kinetic means moving and potential means it is waiting to move or stored up energy in some way, shape, or form? So if you think you have that under control, then you're ready to move on. If not, I would suggest trying to go through the cards again and trying to determine which ones are kinetic and potential. So just a little bit more practice.